Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add signature in PDF file. So this is the method that we are going to use. It's a free version. I want you to head over and look for I love PDF here in Google, and you have the first option here, sign PDF. Go ahead and click that, and then you can go ahead and basically drag your file right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is the file that I'll be using. And then you are going to decide who will sign these documents. In this case, only me. So I'm going to click this and then go ahead and type here either name. So say, for example, in this case, Olivia Wilson. And you have options, signature, AC initials, or company stamp. So it's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and use the signature here. Let's say this one. Click apply. And then you can just go ahead and drag it here. And you can resize it. There you go. And then you can click sign and then download. So the moment you do that, the file should be here right now. You can click it and you're going to see that now it has been signed. So yeah, that's how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.